I am Candice G. Egoy, a student from Mopo University. So I will be briefly discussing about the thermal analysis, the differential scanning calorimetry, and the thermogravimetric analysis. First is the differential scanning calorimetry, also known as DSC, is a specific type of calorimetry including both a sample substance and a reference substance residing in separate chambers. So DST measures differences in the amount of heat required to increase the temperature of a sample and a reference as a function of temperature. So it is a technique that we use to study what happens to polymers when they're heated. So we use it to study what we call thermal transitions of a polymer. So thermal transitions is the changes that take place in a polymer when you heat it. So the melting of a crystalline polymer is one of the examples. The glass transition is also a thermal transition. So the advantages of the differential scanning calorimetry is instruments can be used at very high temperatures. It can have small sample masses and study many types of chemical reactions. And the disadvantage of it is relatively low accuracy and precision, about 5 to 10%, and not be used for overlapping reactions. Next is the thermogravimetric analysis, also known as TGA. It is a method of thermal analysis in which the mass of a sample is measured over time as the temperature changes. So it is an analytical technique used to determine a material's thermal stability and its fraction of volatile components by monitoring the weight change that occurs as a sample is heated at a constant rate. So its advantages is accurate and precise method of macro quantitative analysis. It is easy to use and minimal sample preparation. And its disadvantages is limited range of samples, it is time consuming, and misstep in the procedure can lead to error for the analysis.